Canada. Walking time. If yesterday we drove with smoky hazy day, now we're walking again and showing the smoky hazy day again, but with a bonus, guys. You're gonna see our birdie here, black and white. They are here to show you guys what is autumn season here in Vancouver, Canada. They are here. You want to see them fly later because they're relaxing now, so I don't want to scare them away. There we go. So we have black here, so we're gonna walk slowly and quietly, so they are not be scared and they will fly away. Here you go, guys. Welcome to the Canada. And for more updates and more videos, please always subscribe the Canada. And for comment, just leave a comment below for our improvement, and of course like and share our videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, my guys, my love subscribers. See the color of the leaves there, so beautiful. Times of refreshing. Okay, allow me to sing one praise song while we're enjoying, all of us are enjoying the beauty of autumn and beauty of these creatures, and we can hear birds chirping. Okay, let's go there and let's sing. What is your favorite song? Like, what's your favorite praise song? Me, I always sing is He Holds Tomorrow, because tomorrow is a better day, and tomorrow we should not worry. Don't worry about tomorrow, because tomorrow will worry about itself. Look at these birds. They don't worry because they know God will provide all their needs. Like us, what more? As children of God, He will never leave us nor forsake us. He's the great provider. Okay, let's see. I don't know about tomorrow. I just live from day to day. I don't borrow from its sunshine, for its time may turn to gray. I don't worry o'er the future, 'cause I know what Jesus said. And today I walk beside Him, for He knows what is ahead. Many things about tomorrow I don't seem to understand, but I know who holds tomorrow, and I know He holds my hand. Praise God. To God be the glory. My voice is not that so beautiful, but let's focus on the meaning of the song. And especially it's early in the morning, so our vocal cords is not yet ready. Excuse me. Anyhow, I would like to sing again, but it's a Tagalog version, and I don't have anything on my hand, so I don't have the copy. I just want to sing it from my heart I didn't practice it and I don't know what is the lyrics, but I'll try to sing it the Tagalog version. So this is not the exact Tagalog version of He Holds Tomorrow that I just sang a minute ago, but I'll try my best to use my heart and you guys as my inspiration so I can sing it Tagalog, okay? Ang buhay ay kay ganda, o aking kaibigan. Minsan man tayo'y lito sa kinabukasan. Ako din ay nalulungkot sa nangyayaring ito. Bakit ba nagkaganito? Buhay na pandemic. Huwag kayong matatakot. Bakit ba tayo'y tahimik? Dapat ay ating isigaw. Ang Diyos ay purihin natin. Ngayon ako ay narito at kayo ay nandiyan, pero tayo ay magkaibigan at kami maasahan. Panginoong Diyos, bigyan niyo po kami ng lakas ng loob para man kami buhatin. Minsan man kami nalulungkot, pero kayo ay nandiyan. Hugot man ang sa amin, ang bigat ay naalis. O Diyos, salamat po sa inyong mga nilikha. Kaya kami ngayon busog sa nakikita. Bigyan niyo po kami ng pagkakataon na kayo'y aming purihin dito man o doon. O Diyos, kami lumalapit sa inyo. Sana'y kami yakapin at kami ay matutong maging madasalin, dahil yan ang pinakamahalaga, mahalaga sa lahat. Purihin ka, o Bathala. Panginoon Diyos, salamat po sa buhay, pamilyang masaya, aming laging dinarasan. Pagpalain niyo, O Diyos, bawat isa sa amin. Bigyan niyo po kami ng lakas ng loob, kakayanin ang nangyayari sa aming buhay. Dahil kayo ay nariyan, bubuhatin kami. Mahal namin kayo, Diyos. Kami ngayon humihingi kapatawaran at kalakasan, harapin ang kinabukasan. Guys, pardon me if I don't even really practice that. I just want to sing it with all my heart, and it's better if we will love ourselves the way we are. And it is good to breathe and appreciate of what we have, not because we want to please other people, but we want to please God. When we please God, everything will become possible. Every prayer we asked and every blessing He will give. Once again, guys, just look up above and praise God. Be humble and claim possible. Stay lovely and healthy and happy. And please don't forget to leave a comment for our improvement, and like and share. Sharing is caring. And all bell, please subscribe. The Cara sa Canada. God bless, guys.